Okay, so we have our beer line cleaner. So how this works is we're sending it with a fitting that works to clean the lines that are attached to your keg. So let's say this is our keg. We don't have a keg right now. So what we do is we remove the beer line that goes from the keg to your tap. And the fitting, you keep the gasket in. You just screw it onto the tank. That's your beer line that goes to your tap. And just pump the cleaning solution up your beer line out the tap. That is for this type of connection. If the keg doesn't have this type of fitting or connection, but you have something like this, what you can do is either cut or remove this hose, sink it in hot boiling water. That way the hose gets a little bit soft and easier to install in any other fitting. So once it's pretty soft, boiling water is okay with this hose. Just make sure you bend it and squeeze it in. You can use another zip tie or a clamp, and once that's done, if you have this other type of fitting, you can just do the same connection, and once it's done to your beer line, pump your way through it.